What's up? Okay guys, so today I decided to record a little baking thing that I'm doing. I got the inspiration by a Netflix show called The Curious Creations of Christine McConnell. You guys should watch it. She's really cool. So basically she does like different stuff, but it's like spooky, you know, and I love spooky things. So I basically got the inspiration to do some, out of all the things, the easiest thing, because literally it's like the difficult things that she does. It's insane. So I want to say I spent about 10 bucks for what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making some brownies with an eyeball inside. So she makes it look very realistic, so I'm kind of going for that look. She does it more of like a hands-on and more of like just starting from very scratch, but I'm gonna kind of cheat my way through it to see if I can do it. So I bought, I don't even need these ones actually, so take up that maybe $2. No, maybe like $8. I bought a brownie pan, yeah. So I bought this at Dollar Tree for $1. I bought paper so it doesn't stick on there. I bought this also at Dollar Tree for $1. I live at Dollar Tree, absolutely love Dollar Tree. And then I bought brownie mix from Betty Crocker, also Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree didn't have like a lot of, as far as like little decors to create, so she does it with molding chocolate. She makes the eyeball with molding chocolate, but I kind of thought, I was like, okay, like I'll do a candy melt and stuff like that, but I was like, there's absolutely no way, like I'm a beginner. So I already bought the eyeballs already done. I bought these at Party City for I think $3.99, but then I saw them at Target for $2.59, so definitely cheaper at Target. And then I bought candy melts that's already like packaged. So basically it's this, and you just melt it in the microwave and you're able to use it like to make some kind of decoration with it. This is going to be kind of for the eyelids on the actual eyeball, which we'll get to. It's kind of weird like to phrase it all together. While I was at Dollar Tree, of course I love it, I am dedicated this year to decorate every season, or at least almost every season, my apartment, just so I can feel it, because sometimes I feel like the year goes by so fast that like I don't even feel it. So I bought a few things and you'll see the decorations. So in my kitchen is where most of my decoration goes on. So I bought towels, these little cute towels for the kitchen, XOXO. I kind of figured, you know, they're cute and I can use them other times, not just Valentine's. I bought in the little corner up on my kitchen, if you see right up there, I usually decorate with something. The stickers fell off, so if you get the idea of what's going on up there, I am going to be, sorry guys, it got a little too crazy. Oh. Clearly I need to start working more on my camera set. So I'm going to be setting this in that little corner area up there. Very excited to hang that one up. Gives it a little pop. Again, Dollar Tree, everything is $1. These little popsicles, like they're just heart picks. I'm gonna put them, I have like flower jars around my house, and I kind of want to put them in the flower jars to give like that little pop of like Valentine's. And then that same place where I write the letters, I think it said the most wonderful time of the year. That's what it was supposed to say. I also had one for Halloween. I'll put like a little snippet of what it looked like. But I bought like Happy Valentine's Day. So I'm not huge on Valentine's Day, but I just love like the decoration, and it's my birthday month, so why not decorate? And then I bought two of these little headband things. No, they're not for me. So in October, when I started decorating for Halloween, I bought like a little ghost and I bought a little skeleton, and I refuse to take them off because I love them so much. So one's just chilling outside and then the other one's on my front door. And for Christmas, I put on my ghost little like Santa Claus headbands, and then I put on my skull like a little elf jingly hat. So I'm just gonna put these on them just because I love them so much and I don't want to take them off. So that's my little decoration for Valentine's Day for February. I just kind of want to skip through January. Nothing too crazy going on, but yeah, we will see you guys to see how this baking thing goes because I'm actually very nervous about it. So we'll see you. Bye. So I just wanted to show you guys what he was before. He was just chilling outside like this, and I'm gonna change him up. Update, so I always have to hot glue their head to the headband thingy, but this is the finishing look. It's so cute. Ah, spooky. So here are the little decorations that I put up here. The glare kind of looks weird, but there's that. It looks so cute. And then I have on here the little pop. I obviously need to change this to whatever days, but Valentine's Day. Another little pop right there. And then outside, I have my little dude just chilling. Can't really see him, but he starts turning and he's so chill. We have cute little Greedy. Yay! Okay guys, so now when your brownies are all done, make sure they cool off before you try to do anything. Cut them into squares and then follow the instructions to the candy melt to get it all done. Put one of the little eyeballs in the center of the brownie, and then you are going to put a layer on the top and on the bottom of the eyeball in order to create the eyelid. And then you can use like a thin brush or a toothpick in order to make the eyelid. It kind of takes practice and a hot mess and a few brownies in order to get it all situated. But then you'll be able to let it dry. Well, that's probably as good as it's gonna get. I'm definitely going to try to make them a little bit spookier next time. But I do love them. Like, they just look so tight. Like if you were just to see them.